And there has been, again, within this line, already some damage reported.
Similar situation to what we saw just the other night. Hopefully it won't have the result, but in terms of looking at the Doppler radar, that is what it sort of looked like the other night here. The volumetric radar, if there is a tornado again near Salem, but there's another little kink in this line, a little wave that's moving up towards Prattsville. Let me go back down south a little bit and let me put some special, kind of see what these blues are. These blues just east of Donaldson. That's where there's some weak rotation just to the southwest of Malvern. It's heading off towards the northeast. So this is it right here. If there is a tornado, this is what again, we're looking at two separate circulations. So if there's a tornado, it's in this area, and it's moving up towards Prattsville. So everybody in Prattsville needs to take the tornado precautions. Now, I honestly believe that this is not a large tornado. But as I said before, if there is one, it would be a small one more than likely, and they do damage, and as we know, they can kill even. So we just want you to be in your safe place and put as many walls between you and the outside. We got the continuation of the tornado warning, by the way, Montgomery and Scott for that cell out there. Let me show you that real quick here with our volumetric radar. This is a tornado warning as we've been following this one. The rotation is still very broad, but it's still there, but it's over some very wooded areas. So let's concentrate on what's happening in the populated area.
Again, we've had reports of funnel clouds in the Benton area near Saline Memorial Hospital. Also, just a few minutes ago from Arkansas Children's Hospital emergency medical team reporting a funnel cloud possibly directly over Salem at Highway 5, and that's in this general area on our 5 live Doppler radars. We'll show you that this storm is now moving into the Benton area, and again, it is tracking at about 55 miles an hour. And as I've mentioned before, Todd, with the storm moving that fast, it's going to generate some very strong surface winds. The Arkansas Children's Hospital emergency medical team reporting a funnel cloud rain wrapped over Congo and Joyce Drive in Saline County.
These are coming from emergency managers. This is not coming from the National Weather Service, just to let you know these funnel cloud reports. So they're not officially coming from the Weather Service. They're being reported by emergency managers down there.
So, and that gives you a good perspective of what we're looking at. People are familiar with that, so it's moving into that. That is Woodland Road, and this is, I believe,
maybe where you're at.
That's Highway 5 right
You'll
there.
see some of the lightning I'm filming right now.
That runs from the
You'll see some of the lightning I'm filming right now.
And back a little closer, we do have
It quit raining. I can get outside.
Also, if you are in the vicinity of Shoal Creek Drive, you need to move to a safe place.
I got hail.
That's Scott Salem Road.
Glad
and this is,
I strapped a tarp over the truck to protect my windows.
Road, so that gives you a little bit of a perspective of where we're looking
Yeah,
at.
well,
With funnel clouds being
I don't think so.
So you can see that the brunt of that storm between
Wow, that was a good one.
Salem, as a matter of fact, the rain-wrapped funnel clouds.
I got some wild lightning going.
And Joyce Drive in Saline County, and that's somewhere between, I believe, Benton and Salem. And that's along Highway 5.
All right, with our volumetric radar right now, we've been watching the leading edge of this, and there just seems to be little kinks trying to form here.
No, I moved the camper around to where the butt end was into the wood, into the wind.
You know, on the leading edge,
it's not hitting it sideways.
Can occur. You know, in many given places.
Well, I'm trying not to talk too much because I'm filming.
Out one south of Benton, one just to the south, southeast rather, Haskell.
I love you too.
There's 1,
Bye.
2, and 3. There's maybe some rotation even just to the west of Prattsville, but this is, again, Doppler radar indicates tornado. We don't have anything reported on the ground here, but there are 2 separate tornado warnings. But along the leading edge of this, tornado warning now issued from Polk, Scott, and Yell.
That's for the same storm that we've been tracking in out of Oklahoma. It's still behind this line that we're looking at here. That storm is behind the line. And Todd will go get a new storm.
It's actually, there's another storm behind it. That's, if you look at the volumetric radar, there's apparently another storm that's formed just behind it to the
near Wise City again.
Yeah, near Wise City. And that's what they're warning on. Again, that's over a very rural area. We need to concentrate on what's going on across Central Arkansas. but just to let you folks know it's out there in the forested area.
On our 5-lot Doppler radars, we're going to give you the latest track on this and show you the storms are getting close to Pulaski County right now. As a matter of fact, the leading edge near Alexander at 822, very close to that, Redgate, Woodland Hills, Terrytown, and Shannon Hills. After that area, as we track it, that continues on into Pulaski County. As a matter of fact, Pulaski Heights at 836. This storm will be moving into Woodland Heights at 834. These are places in Pulaski County, including Spring Valley and also Marsh at 839. And just south of Atwood right now, we've got a track on that storm. And another one, there's Congo, Ferndale, Twin Peaks, Benton, Salem, Lena, Bauxite, and then continuing in the southern sections of Pulaski County, the Wrightsville at 844. The tornado warning has now been extended, as you can see, because of the track and because the storm is moving into Pulaski County. The tornado warning has been extended now for Pulaski and Saline County because Shannon Hills will be in the path of the storm, Ivy Ridge at 832, Meadow Cliff at 837, Gillum Park at 843, Higgins at 844, and that's all in southern sections of Pulaski County, Todd.
Yeah, let's just also moving northeast at 60. We can expect widespread wind damage now. I think we can say in Pulaski County. If this is moving in northeast at 60, there will be trees down. Be prepared for more power outages in the Little Rock metro area. It's not going to be ready now to flash right for power outages in Pulaski County. I think we have storm chaser Powers on the phone right now who is in sight, I believe, at this possible tornado. We have reports now on Highway 5 north of Alexander that a funnel has been observed by transponders. What do you have for us?
Well, John, right now I'm at Otter Creek at Interstate 30 and the 430 exchange. Right now there's a lot of lightning. There is some lowering of the clouds back to my west and southwest, but at this moment I do not see a funnel cloud, although it is pretty dark out here and the rain is beginning to pick up.
Okay, but right now you do not see any type of lowering whatsoever.
No, not that would indicate a tornado at this moment.
Okay. Stay on. So where's your exact location, Bobby?
I'm at Otter Creek exit at the 430 exchange.
Okay, this possible tornado is just coming up the interstate right now, so get into a safer area, maybe a little bit further south, and stay on the phone. Keep us updated. We got a new tornado warning now for Garland, Montgomery, Perry, and Saline and Yell. Doppler radar indicated tornado near Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area or 15 miles north of Mount Ida. Just want to get that out there, but we're going to stay with this coming up the interstate right now. Bobby, just jump in if you see anything, but with our volumetric radar, again, it is a Doppler radar indicated tornado. We have reports of funnel clouds. If we go to volumetric radar, let me get off all these warnings.
By the way, I do want to mention, Tom, before I forget about it, I know a lot of people are wanting to watch Dancing with the Stars. It's being recorded. It will be rerun tonight at 12:30. Okay, so you can set your, and we'll remind you this again, but Dancing with the Stars will be running tonight at 12:30 a.m., so you can hopefully record that.
Okay, if you hear a volumetric radar, let me just move this over just a little bit. You may be able to see this vehicle here, and it's a brighter green right along the interstate near Salem, Benton, and Bryan in this area. It's moving up towards Alexander right now, so that's the area that we're extremely concerned about with the rotation moving up towards the north and the east into the Otter Creek area and into the metropolitan area before too long. Bobby, do you see anything else where you're located?
At this time, I still don't see anything. We're moving into a safer position, and we'll keep you posted if we see anything.
All right, on the 5-lot Dopplers, I'm going to show you the active warnings that we have. They do warnings now out of Saline County into the Pulaski County. Pulaski County, 845. Tornado warning is in effect for central Pulaski County, eastern Saline County as well. Severe storm located near Benton. That's the one that Todd and I have been tracking for the last 20 minutes or so, and it is continuing near Benton to move towards northeast, this time at about 60 miles an hour. So we take the radar data on County, and from Saline County now into Pulaski County. So these are active warnings that we have for you in the central Arkansas area. Also warnings that are in effect and have just been issued include warnings for Yell County, Scott, and Polk County. These are moving into Perry County as well. So we do have Perry County, also Yell County, and northern Montgomery County, and northern sections of Garland County. So again, we've got a very active night that is going on once again, just as we did less than a week ago. Regardless of, again, tornado activity, which looks likely along this line, but this line now moving at 60 miles per hour, I'm a little concerned about that, Todd, because that's going to generate very strong winds. And as Todd mentioned just a few minutes ago, that line in itself could cause some trees and power line damage throughout the area. But those are the active warnings that we have, and there's the line that we're looking at and putting it into motion and kind of show you exactly what's been happening over the last hour from 7:26 right now to around 7:27 p.m. Again, Pulaski County, central Pulaski County is under a tornado warning for this line of storms. Areas like West Little Rock, North Little Rock Airport, downtown Little Rock, Benton, of course, that's where the storm is generated. We've had reports of puddle clouds there. Southwest Little Rock, northern sections of Little Rock, Riceville, Sweet Home, areas like Park Hill, Sherwood, that entire line is tracking that way, Todd, and Little Rock Air Force Base, and Jacksonville.
All right, we're getting reports, by the way, from Entergy, Arkansas. Almost 10,000 people now have already lost power, so here we go again. High winds moving into the metro area. Because of our volumetric radar right now, we want everybody in West Little Rock to take your tornado precautions immediately. You just go to the inside of your home, put as many walls between you and the outside, put places as a closet or hallway, laundry room, or something like that. We just want you to play it safe right here, because I fully expect widespread winds to exceed 60 miles per hour with this area moving through in rotation. Let me put this in the velocity mode. You can see the core of the highest wind now pushing out of the Bryant area toward Shannon Hills, Otter Creek, and getting ready to move into the West Little Rock area, and the northern extent of that is Ferndale. But this broad area here is going to have gusty winds, and there could be just to the east of Bryant and southwest, now portions of southwest Pulaski County, there's been reports of a funnel cloud that has been moving up Interstate 30 and is now moving into the southern end of the Little Rock metropolitan area. But I don't want anybody in West Little Rock to let your guard down. I think you need to be in your safe places at this time. I think we hear Bobby there rustling around. Do you have anything, Bobby?
Yes, we're at Otter Creek, and we're getting some very high winds. I would estimate at least 50, maybe higher, just moved through Otter Creek. And so these high winds are definitely moving in. We're definitely going to see some power outages. Power is still on here at the Otter Creek location.
Say that again, Bobby?
I said power is still on here at Otter Creek, although we just experienced some very high winds and heavy rain is moving through the area.
Okay, your threat is winding down there, but it's still present, but it's going to be over there very shortly.